Ever wondered how to make the perfect seafood egg roll? Mix seafood in a skillet. Then add the soy sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Toss in the shredded vegetables and stir fry until they're soft. Assemble the egg rolls by placing the filling in the center of an egg roll wrapper. Then fold and roll tightly. Finally, fry the egg rolls until they're golden brown. This recipe is a testament to the magic that happens when fresh seafood meets vibrant vegetables and aromatic seasonings, all wrapped up in a crispy golden egg roll. So, why not give it a try and bring this culinary masterpiece to life in your own kitchen? It's a perfect blend of flavors that's sure to delight your taste buds. Enjoy!